for today, we are going to go sa school ni Alois kasi today is her first day of school in play school. So, come along with us and ano ba yung magiging experience and ano ba yung gagawin ni Alois sa school. So, this serves as her diary then. Say hi, Alois.
Hi!
Like mo sila. Hindi na ako nakapag-video sa loob kasi hindi pwedeng ipakita yung mga bata sa loob. And ito si Alois. I will ask if ano yung reaction niya sa school. Hi, Alois! Show your star. Where's your star? Star. 1 star. 2 star. And then 3 star. 3 ang kanyang star today. Ano sabi mo kay teacher? No, baby shark. Diba you sing? Apa? Yes. Hanggang ngayon hawak niya pa rin yung biniki ng teacher niya. Okay, flying kiss, Alois. Alois, flying kiss. Loy, what's that? Oops, no. Just